We are in day 3 of series which you can practice during you feel low. Practicing yoga in the morning makes you feel better and keep you energetic throughout the day. So pick up the mat and let's practice. Before we start, my regular advice, complete your regular stretches, neck, shoulder, wrist and your ankle. So let's start 5 Surya Namaskara together. Drop your shoulders down, keep your both the palm together. Inhale, lift your both the hands up straight. Exhale, bend forward. Right leg back, left. Knee down, chest down. Lift your chest up. Come to Parvatasana. Right leg in between both the palm. Left. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Take your left leg back. Second one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, come up, give a back bend. Exhale, bend forward. Third one, right leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend forward. Fourth one, left leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You're going to drop your hands down. Okay. Once you complete 5 counts, if you wish, you can do more counts as well. 10, 15, 20. We can go up to 25 because we don't want you to get stressed. We want you to just feel your body. That's all. Okay. So once you're done with Surya Namaskara, now take your both the legs apart from each other. Okay. Lift your spine up straight. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, take your focus to the right leg. Turn your right toe pointing out. Okay. Now, make sure that your shoulder should not turn. Your shoulder should be in center. You can feel a kind of a stretch in your hip joint and in your spine. That's okay. Now, from here, take your both the hands shoulder level and turn your palm to the center. So, now as you breathe in, you're going to lengthen your spine. As you breathe out, you're going to extend your upper body towards the right side. Slowly down. Just go down how much ever you can. If you can touch the floor, great. If you can just be here, it's fine. Make sure that you don't push yourself and don't bend forward. Okay, we'll do this few times. Inhale. Exhale. Extend. Go down. Inhale, come to center. Exhale down. Inhale, come to center. 3. Exhale down. Inhale, come to center. Fourth one, exhale down. Inhale, come to center. The last one we're going to hold. Exhale, bend forward to the side. Hold 5. Both the hands should be in one straight line. 4, 3. You can also keep your hand on the ankle for a better balance. 2. And come to center. Take your right foot inside. I'm going to move our left toe pointing out. Okay. Same thing. Your shoulder is going to be in center. Now inhale. Exhale. Bend to the side. Open up your chest. Come to center. We're going to go down again. Exhale. Go down. Center. 3. Try to keep it slow. You don't have to be in a hurry. Center. 4. Feel the stretch. Feel your breath. Come back to center. The last one where we're going to hold. Exhale down. Open up your chest. You're going to feel the stretch and your breath. 5. 4. You can also keep your hands on the ankle. 3. 2. And 1. Slowly come back to center. Now you're going to relax your hands first, because I know you're staying for like quite some time. You'll feel a bit of stress in your hands. Now you're going to get your both the legs turning to the center, okay, to forward. Now take your leg back to full plank. From here we're going to come to Malasana. Take your right leg next to the right palm outside and left leg next to the left palm outside. You're going to drop your hip down. If you can't practice this, then just practice Utkatasana, chair posture, in case if you can't practice Malasana. Now from here, with the help of elbow, push your knee outside, sorry. Open up your chest, lift up your spine, adjust. You're going to close your eyes, lift your chin up. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, just observe, what do you feel in this posture? What is your balance? How does your spine feel? It wants to get rounded, but then you're keeping it straight. You feel a good stretch in your hip joints because you're pushing your knees away from each other. But your breath is relaxed. Even though you have so many things going on in your body, your breath continues to be relaxed. And that's how your mind is going to be. The more you focus on your breath, your mind calms down and you feel better. Now open your eyes. Now engage your hip joint. So the moment you leave, it will become like this, okay? So when you're here, you have a good control over your hip joint. So even when you leave your hands, you're going to be in the posture. See, this versus this. So make sure that your knees are still out and you have a very good control over your hip joints. Keep both the hands on the floor. Now, your bicep should touch the thigh. So try to keep your knee wide. Open up your hand, right hand to outside. Open up your chest. Inhale. Exhale forward. See, I'm keeping my hand next to the thigh. Other side. Inhale. Open up your chest. Twist. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Open up your arms. Exhale down. The last one. Inhale. And exhale. From here, get your palm back. Take your leg back to full plank again. And drop your knee down. Come to a cat and cow posture. A mindful practice will actually make you feel better. You're going to close your eyes and you take your entire attention to the lower body, to the lower back. You inhale with spine in, look up. Exhale, round your shoulder, extend your shoulder. Inhale, come up, spine in. Exhale, round your shoulder. Inhale up. The last one. And exhale. Don't practice this for the namesake. You should feel the movement. Take your leg back. Lie down on the stomach. Okay. Get your palm inside and get your elbow inside. Now as you inhale, you're going to come to Bhujangasana and exhale down. I'm having a very good control over my elbow. Even when I come down, my elbow doesn't go out. So try to balance this. And if you're finding it difficult, you can also tuck your toe in case if you need it. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very slowly. Inhale up. Look up. Elbows in. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. And exhale down. Bend your both the knee. We're going to practice Dhanurasana. Try to hold your ankle from behind. Okay. So open up your chest. From here, you see the movement of the chest. From here, open up your chest, and as you inhale, you're going to lift your thigh up. Breathe in, breathe out. One more. Slowly come down. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time. Inhale, come up. Open up your chest. And exhale, come down. Drop your legs down. And you're going to come to a child posture. Push your hip back, toe pointing out. You're going to drop your whole body down on the floor. Stay here for a while. Now observe what is going on in your spine. Feel the stretch in your spine. Come back to center. Now come to Vajrasana and quickly close your eyes. Turn your palm to the ceiling. Now, as you breathe in and breathe out, take your attention to the forehead. Try to focus on your forehead. And see what do you feel. What is the state of your mind and the body right now? After the practice, do you feel any sensation? Do you find any pain? Do you feel comfortable? Just acknowledge what you're going through at this point. No judgment, just you're going to observe. Now remind yourself 3 times that you are a strong personality, you are brave, and you have confidence. Sometimes you will not realize your confidence level. You'll not realize what you're capable of. You need to remind yourself. And this is the best opportunity to tell yourself that what you are. You are a positive person and you will stay positive. Now gently get your both the palm together, rub your both the palm, drop it to your eyes. Once again rub your both the palm, drop it to your face. Open your eyes and look at your palm. A very good morning, and I'm sure you're feeling better now. So if you're new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and also click a bell icon right next to it so that you will get all my updates. Also, you can follow me on Instagram with the ID of Yoga for Your Cure for any kind of updates. Keep practicing and stay positive. Thank you.